Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This time it's another caravan video. Well, today's the day when we take the caravan in for a service, and it also gets new tyres. So we'll go down and get it picked up. While we're on the subject of tyres, I'll probably need to inflate that left tyre. That's the one that keeps going down. So I'll see you when we're down there. Okay, so I'm down here at the caravan getting it ready to tow, and I've just been given a bit of news. The place where I keep it here, it's actually Adam's mum and dad who let us keep the caravan here. I've just been told by his mum that one of the neighbours is going to be building a fence across here and there won't be room to keep the caravan here, so I'm going to have to sort out some storage. I can't keep it at home because there's basically nowhere for it. Now it just so happens the place where I'm getting this caravan serviced, which is CaSSOA Gold in Elland. Now I'm looking on their website and I believe they do storage, so I'll inquire about storage when I get there. So we'll get this caravan ready to be towed and we'll just carry on. Okay, the caravan's all hooked up, checked everything. I don't need to go through that because I've done it in previous videos. In fact, this is pretty much the same as the Coachman was. It's got the twin sockets, your breakaway cable, everything, so no need to demonstrate that. So we're going to get ourselves over to CaSSOA Gold in Elland. It's now a week later and we're going to go get the caravan, but first I need to go to the tip. Now when I say tip, it's not tip, that's what it used to be called. They're now called recycling centres, and all the stuff we're going to get rid of is recyclable, so got to do his bit for the environment. Anyway, better get on. Okay, that's that done. Now I'm going to go get the car washed. I haven't washed it for quite a few weeks, so get that out of the way. We're here, so let's get it sorted out. And there's our caravan. We'll just take a quick look. And yep, there's one new tyre. So yep, we're good to go. Time for the hard bit. Okay, we're all done and paid for, so just need to hook up the caravan and we'll get off. So what I'll do is I'm going to put you guys on time lapse. You can watch me hooking up the caravan. Okay, time for a final sanity check, as Dan Trudgeon puts it. So we've got his electrics plugged in. I've just checked lights. That's securely on. Breakaway cable is on, and as jockey wheel is all the way up and brake off, so we're good to go. Well, we're here at the new storage site. Once you get somewhere I can store it, so that's all sorted, and all I've got to do is get the cover. I'm just up at the windows and test it out at fly screens and get nicer fresh air without the insects. Because when I first got this Caravan, the fly screens and the blinds didn't work properly, but they're all 100%. So all it remains for me to do is to just close everything up and get cover on. Right, we're all done and dusted. Covers on, and actually there wasn't much wrong with the Caravan. The hose from the gas bottle needed replacing. Had the water filter changed, and we've got a tool so we can do it ourselves in future. As I mentioned earlier on, there's the new tyres, which are £45 each, which weren't bad for a pair of brand new tyres. And what else? Oh, the fridge doesn't work on gas, but that's not really an issue because we don't really do wild camping, so that's not something we need to worry about. I'm sure there was something else as well. No, I can't think of it. I'll probably think of it afterwards. I'll just put a title up if I think of it, but all in all, not bad for its age. So I'll just show you around this storage area. And it's out of the way now. It's quite secure. Nobody can get to it easy. And they've got CCTV. Probably watching me holding a GoPro and talking to myself. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. I just hope you enjoyed it. I booked up first week off in July, so I'll definitely be taking Caravan then. Please like and subscribe, questions and comments. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.